Hello, everyone, and thanks for being here. Today, we're going to be tackling a vital topic, and that's preventing overspending during the holidays. This time of year often brings joy, but also the temptation to go beyond our means. As Luke 14:28 says, "For which of you desiring to build a tower does not sit down first and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it?" Today's goal is to equip you with the strategies to keep your holiday spending balanced and intentional. My name's Jacob Curtis. I'm a CPA, a certified prop first professional, and a business coach. I started Curtis Accounting Solutions to remove the stress of doing the bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes, and to provide practical business advice that helps e-commerce stores piece together financial freedom. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions on today's episode, so please leave a comment below and remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Okay, let's dive in. Let's begin with setting a realistic budget for holiday expenses. A well thought out budget isn't restrictive, it's actually empowering. For instance, if you expect to spend $2,500 on holiday expenses, break it down into categories like $500 for client gifts and $1,200 for promotions and $800 for family and personal needs. Allocating funds this way really ensures you don't overspend in any single area. During the holidays, weekly cash flow monitoring is crucial. This simple step can prevent costly surprises. For example, if you notice an increase in expenses one week due to a holiday promotion, consider cutting back in other areas to stay within budget. A weekly review of your finances allows for timely adjustments. To prevent the temptation of overspending, create a separate account for holiday expenses. Say you allocate $2,500 in this account. This amount is set aside exclusively for holiday-related costs. Having a clear separation keeps holiday spending from running over and affecting other operational funds for your business. Impulse purchases can derail even the best holiday budget. For instance, if a limited time offer appears for $500, but it wasn't planned for, reconsider the impact of this purchase on your budget. Often taking 24 hours to evaluate the real value of a purchase will help you make a better financial decision. Now, gift giving is meaningful, but it's easy to go overboard. Set a limit on gift expenses. For example, allocate $500 for client gifts and $200 for personal gifts. By prioritizing quality over quantity, you can make thoughtful choices that are both memorable and financially responsible. Seasonal promotions can bring in revenue, but can also lead to overspending if not planned carefully. If you set aside $1,000 for a holiday campaign, ensure each expense is tracked and compared against the revenue that it generates. This way, you'll know which promotions are worth repeating in the future and which ones to avoid. Avoiding overstocking is another way to prevent overspending. For instance, if you typically sell 100 units of a particular item each month, avoid ordering 300 units just because the holiday season. Sticking closer to your usual demand helps keep inventory manageable and prevents wasteful spending. The holidays are an excellent time to maximize tax-deductible expenses. If you need office supplies or business software upgrades, making these purchases before the end of the year can provide deductions that lower your tax burden. For example, spending $1,000 on deductible business expenses can save you a significant amount in taxes. As the holidays wind down, hold a planning session to assess your spending and plan for next year. If you went over budget by $500 this year, think about ways to adjust for next season. By reflecting on what worked and what didn't, you'll be better equipped to keep your finances on track in future holiday seasons. Now, credit cards can be a slippery slope during the holidays. Avoid relying on credit for unplanned purchases. If you use a credit card for a $1,000 business purchase, be sure it's budgeted so you can pay it off promptly to avoid interest charges. High interest can quickly turn a holiday purchase into a long-term expense. Holiday bonuses are a wonderful way to reward your employees, but they should also align with your budget. Let's say your profit goal allows for $3,000 in bonuses. Keeping this amount as a fixed limit ensures you're not stretching your budget thin while expressing appreciation for your team's hard work. If you have questions or need assistance with managing your company's finances, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you piece together financial freedom. Schedule a call today with me to get started by scanning the QR code on the screen or clicking the link in the pinned comment below, or going to jacobcurtiscpa.com/5-strategies-calendar to get started. Remember to follow me, Jacob Curtis CPA, and Curtis Accounting Solutions on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.